Hey guys, my name is Shivansh and today I'm going to show you a video on how to make a back to top button in an HTML website. Now, you may be making a website in which there's a lot of content, maybe a lot of text or maybe a lot of images, and you want to make a button that stays fixed on the bottom right corner or the bottom left corner of the page so that it will take you to the top whenever you want, and it stays fixed there. It doesn't removes from there when you scroll down. So let me show you how to make it. So first of all, you need a software to make HTML website. Now you can do it on Notepad. It is a program to make HTML website, but it's really plain and there is nothing good about it. See, no colors, nothing. So I prefer brackets. Now I will leave the link of the software in the description so you can download it. So it's a good software to develop websites because it has colors, it automatically closes the brackets, so you can use this. Now let me show you how to make a new brackets folder or a new brackets file. So first thing, you make a new folder on your desktop or wherever you want, rename it something, YouTube tutorial. Now right click and there is an option open as brackets project. Click on it and it will open. Now make a new file, Control S, save it as index.html. Now whenever you make a website, the first page that will open is index.html, so you have to be careful and rename it index.html. Save it. Now it's a HTML file. Now you can HTML code here. Now brackets has a really cool options of live preview. So when you click it, it opens a browser and you can see the live preview of that in here. So my default browser is Google Chrome. If you are Internet Explorer, it will open Internet Explorer. So let me begin. So first of all, tell the browser that it's a HTML type of website. So this is the heading, doc type HTML, sorry. And now make an HTML layout. Now if you want this option of automatically closing, just click on file and there are extension manager, you can download it, or in view there are some options like highlight active line, like this is highlighting, so it's good bracket feature. It has many features in it. You can discover it by yourself and it's really cool. Auto close braces. Now this is what happened just now, it auto closed the braces, so you can do it. Now make a head tag. Inside the head make a title tag. Give the title back to top button. So when you give the title, now it should refresh here. See, back to top button. Now make a body tag, body. In the body tag make a paragraph and type my name. See, it's live previewing here. Everything you type here is coming over here directly. My name is Shivansh and I am going to show you all how to make a back to top button. Yeah, pretty good, no typos, I guess. So just, it's a shortcut command, Control D, that is duplicate. So it's just duplicates. Now make it a big page, nice big page. Yeah, so I guess that much should be enough. It's still going, yeah. So when you expand this, it still is a big page. Like, yeah, it's a big page. Now to make a back to top button, you have to use the attribute position fixed. So let's first make a simple link. So to make a link, you may know that it's A, simply. Now right here, top. Okay, it's still coming over here because it's not yet positioned. I will show you how to position it. Make a first let me show you how to make a href of this. So first go to the top of your page and put here a link, but put the name here, maybe top. Yeah, make a top. Don't write anything over here because it will come over here, so remove it. Only the name of it, top. Now in this A, the href would be, make a pound sign and type the word that you typed over there, so top. Now it should make a link. Now when you click over it, it will go to the top. See, it went. Let me do something so to tell you that it's the top. Maybe bold the first line. So to make a bold, you need to use the attribute strong. Close it over here. Hashtag strong. So yeah, you can see it's the bold line. First line is bold. Come over here, click the top button, and it will take you there. See, it's here. Now how to move this top button into position and how to make it good, looking good. So first thing you can do, you can change the background of page by in the body tag, but I want to keep it white, so let it be white. First, let me make a CSS page of this. So first what will I do is make a new and make it a style. Oh, sorry. Save it in the same folder as that, style.css. Now you can name it anything. Let's name it main because it's the default kind of name, main.css. Now it's a CSS file which is practically a thing that gives look to everything. So you don't need to start it like HTML. You just type everything you want in CSS page. But you want to link this index page to the CSS page. So what you do is go to the head tag, doing good. So I went and fixed it. So yeah, to link it, just type in link relation style sheet, because it's a style sheet, it gives style to HTML, I guess that's what it means. Space text. Text is text/CSS, and then the href, the name, main.css, because the name is here main. If you named it style, then style.css. It's all about that. Now when you have linked it, just go here and do a shortcut command, Control E. Now that will help you make a new rule in the CSS page. If you don't want to do this, just go directly here and make a new rule, A. So a rule for A you want to put it, but I like it this way. Okay, let me do it this way for your ease. So what you want for the A is it position. There are many types of position. It's absolute, which is used mainly. Fixed, that we are going to be using. Inherit. Relative is a good type, that's used also. Static and sticky. Static and sticky are good, but they are not that much use. We are going to use fixed. Now the position of this will be fixed. Now you see that it's vanished from here and it went somewhere in middle of the page, but we will see that where it is. So what you want to do is make the button at the top, bottom right corner of the page. So from top it should be 95% down. 95% down. See, it's here 95% from the top. It's gonna be here every time. See, wherever I scroll, it's here. That's the specialty of the fixed tag. I'll make you see it more clearly, giving it borders. Now the main thing you have to remember in CSS, unlike HTML, you have to close this with a semicolon. Just like JavaScript and many other things, you have to close it with a semicolon. From top it's 95%. So what this means is, as you may have guessed, that from the top 95% of the distance it is down. Now from left it is 95%, same. See, it's going too much there, it's cutting the screen. In full screen it's good, but in mobile it won't be good, so I think make it 93. Yeah, see, it's good, it's here. Now what I do is, let's make a border. Border, you can make border by many ways, like border style. That should be solid. Solid is good. See here, it's solid. Border size, sorry, border width. Border width should be, I guess, 2 pixels. No, let it be 4 pixels so you can see it clearly. Then there is border, obviously color. Let's make it black color. That's a good color. Actually make it gray. Gray is good. I like black more. We can change it afterwards if you don't like it. It will match the theme. Now once we've made a border, let's change the width of this. Width should be around 10 pixels is good. No, 10 pixels is really small. 50 pixels best, I guess. And let's make the height of it also good, like around now let the width be the same as it is, because it will be good. Let's make a background color of it. Background color, that's the sign of. Now that's the colors, like you may change the colors. There is a HTML picker. There are many sites which gives you the choice of picking colors, so you can pick them. There are hundreds and thousands of colors you can pick. Let me just keep it simple, gray. Now the font color, that is the color, should be white because everything is gray. Now see, it's looking quite good now. Top button is looking good. Everything is done except for some things like, how it's saving it, refresh it. Top is good. Let's make it bold. So you can do bold by writing strong attributes, or maybe you can click font weight, make it bold. See, it's bold here. I want it normal, not italics. This font is good, so let it be. Now do something good to it. Maybe I want to change the height of it. Height should be around 20 pixels. Let's make it 30 to be good. Yeah, see, it's 30 pixels. Now I guess 95% is too much, 94 for that. And here make it 92. See, it's coming perfectly here. Good for mobile screens. If you shrink it, it will be kind of cool. I will see it. You can change the height according to what you want. Now we have given it a color. Now see, there are many phases to A tag. Like this is a normal A tag when there is nothing going on. Then this is a A visited. That means when it is visited. So what you want to do is make it the same thing. Position will be fixed, no problem. The color, when it's visited, we want the same things. We don't want anything to be changed, right? When we click a normal ring with nothing in it, it's blue, but when we click it, it becomes purple. Now we want this to be same, not change whatsoever. So let's take the color, background color, border style, everything and paste it over here. Now let me show you a shortcut of writing border. Like we written solid 4 pixels in black in 3 lines. Now we can do it in the same way, like we just like border, we write solid, we write 4 pixels, and we write black. Now it's a shortcut method of writing it, so you can do it this way also. Now when the A is visited, the link is visited, it will be the same thing. Now one more thing is A active. Yeah, A active, that is when I am clicking it, just clicking it. So yeah, that's when I want to do something great in it. You know what, maybe make the background color black, pitch black, sorry, CK black, and make the border color gray. That will be cool. See, now it's giving kind of. Now one we think is, see, when it is on some text like here, it is covering it, it's covering the top. Top is covering the top, so you want to turn the opacity low. Now it makes it kind of transparent, so type opacity and type 0.2. now 0.2 is very low, but you can make it 0.4, 0.5. You won't see the difference now because it's kind of not visited. Maybe type here opacity 0.4. See, it become very light. You can make it 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. Now and 0.1 is really low, you can't even see it. Make it 0.6. 6 is good. No, 6, 5. You can see it. You can see the behind font. You can see the front font. That's great. You can turn it even lower by making it much lower. 0.1 is the lowest. 0.2, 3, 4. It gets higher. Now when it is active, I want the background color to be red. We'll see it more. The border, let me see, we can make it 4 pixels. Yeah, it doesn't matter the order, like you can write solid first, then 4 pixels, then gray. You can write 4 pixels first, then solid, and then let's keep it gray. The background color, the border color should be gray. So when it is active, like when it is clicked, kind of, see, it's red. Now what I want to do is make the opacity high when it is clicked. So make it 0.9. Yeah. So see, when I click it, it becomes very bright. Now that's kind of getting cool now. Now there is one last thing in A, that is A hover. Now when the mouse is hovering over here. So what I want to do is make the border same. Border should be same here. Make the background same. Background color should be black, same to same, but the opacity here should be good. Opacity point like prompting you to click it. See, now that's kind of cool. Prompting. Now don't mind the kind of click sound in the background. It is something wrong, but yeah, see. So that's how you make a top button. Now there are different styles of making top button. Like I made it this way. Now I made it in a rough way. Now let me show you a top button that I made for a website. Let's go to which page I made it. Yeah, I made it for about us page, that is here. So see right here, that's the top button also, like here, and it takes you to the top. Now let me show you the settings which I made it for. About, yeah. So open in brackets. Now see, the top button which I made for it was like this. Position is fixed, border, opacity, width I made it 40 pixels to make it look good. Height I made it center, a line of text, the top should be in the center. The top is 93%, left from 91%, background gray, color white. When my mouse hovers over here, I made the background color gray, opacity 9, color white. When I made the visited, I made the position fixed, border, the color of the border, opacity 0.6, width is 40 pixels, height is 40 pixels, text align is center. Now this is kind of same, everything I keep the visited and not visited the same. Active I made the background color red and color white. See, the background color here red. Then yeah, this much. So thank you for watching the video. I will leave the whole A thing, the whole this A thing in the description, so you can refer to it, copy it. I will leave the A of this button because I like this much better, and I think that is great. So don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. If you have subscribed, go in the comments box and type I've subscribed, and I will reply to you if you have subscribed. So thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, before leaving, one last thing. Maybe it's not permanent that it may happen, but maybe your link will not work because of a little mistake, and you can correct it. See, in the main.css page you typed A everywhere. I've added this P, but you typed initially A everywhere. So when you type A, it applies to all the A links, all the A's that are in the whole page. But you don't want to do that because then it will apply to this one also, and hence it maybe your link won't work. So what you can do, it's a great method. Just write the P in front of the A and the ending P at the last of the A, and write it in the A of the top button, not on the A of the name button, but on the A of the top button, right here, this A. Now go to a main.css page, styling page, and in front of every A type P. So that means P, and the subcategory of the P is A. So it is specific to this top button, to this button over here, to this one. So it will, all these things will happen to only this top button, not the A in which we gave the name for it. So if you do this, it may work, right? Most of the times it doesn't work without adding the P. See, now it's working, and you can see the effects, the red color and all that. You see it like that. So just do this one thing and you'll be good to go. And also, if you don't want to write P, maybe you have already a P, then you can write many things. You can write span, you can write H1, you can write a heading, like type here H1 and a closing H1. Then also it's the same thing. So yeah, that was a quick update. You can add this function, so you'll be good.